Everybody loves omelette. Protein omelette, veggie omelette, and cheese omelette. Let's do this. Stay tuned with Where is my knife?
First things first. Chop the sujuks respectfully. And then use some olive oil because we're gonna fry it all. Now it's time to mix the eggs. But wait. Melt the butter in the pan, but watch out, because if it melts too much, it'll be ugly. Now pour the eggs inside. And it's time for the spices. Bell pepper, oregano, a little more oregano, some salt, and some cheddar cheese because it can make it even more delicious. After 3 minutes, it's ready and the cheese is perfectly melted. Use spices like bell pepper and oregano so you can wait more to eat it all. Just look at that! Mushroom and spinach omelette. Slice the mushrooms bigger than usual because we need to feel something when we're eating it. Now we have spinach and we're going to chop the garlic. Put some olive oil in the pan and the mushrooms right after. Add the spinach. And the time the colors start changing, it's time to add salt and black pepper. And then it's garlic time. Now for the omelette, mix 2 eggs with milk so we get a cool, beautiful liquid. Just like before, add it to the pan and add some salt and some pepper and some spices if necessary. Now add mushrooms and spinach. And by using a spatula, you can shape it if you like. Done! Cheesy omelette. Mix the eggs with a little milk until we get to a mixed liquid. Now melt the butter slowly. And then add the liquid from the center of your pan as usual, and then add some salt, some pepper, some Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese, or even cheddar cheese. You know, any type of cheese can be perfect for this beauty. Now, with the help of a spatula, fold the omelette. Use a dish which is suitable for this omelette. Guys, don't forget to use the average temperature anyways. Bon appetit!